Welcome to Triple C. We're going to do a comparison of the big grading companies, trying to include CSG and HGA as much as possible. They're included in at least every one. All right, first we're going to compare Kobe Bryant rookie Z-Force. Raw, $101. A box of this will set you back $2,100. We're going to go ahead and look at graded 8.5s. I could not find an HGA, PSA. Last one I could find, best offer, $239.99, but it was accepted lower than the best offer. All right, next I could find a GMA 8 for $85. The CSG, the new green, 8.5, $132, and that's with bids. Next, you got BGS. Again, I did an 8.5, $157.50. SGC, the only one I could find was back in January, $75, and that was the best offer. All right, next card we got Tua 20 silver, hollow rookie, $101 for raw. A box will send you back over $2,000. All right, the HGA 9, we're going to be looking at 9s. Bids, 204. PSA 9. Bids, you're looking at 293. So you can see about a third more. Best offer was also accepted in the 400 range. Next, we got CSG. Nope, sorry, that was just from the previous one, my fault. So I did not find a GSC or GMA. Not available. I just forgot to take that Kobe out from the previous vid. All right, now you got BGS, $299 for a best offer. I could not find an SGC. This is for a Beckett 9. This is also back in February. All right, next card. We're looking at Tua Panini Absolute Raw. Set you back a few bucks. A box of this is looking at around close to $450. We're looking at grade 9s. All right, HGA, I could not find one. PSA 9 bids set you back about $70. All right, a CSG green label. Let's see, buy now was $40. GMA a 10. Back in February was only $10 for a bid, but the Gem Mint 10 was $24, so substantially lower. BGS was at a 9.5, was $59. That was also best offer, so it would have been lower, and there was not an SGC. So, all right, next card we got the Jordan Fleer 90, grade 9.5 or a 10, so 9.5 or 10 raw. This card's costing about $16. A box of this Fleer is close to $200. All right, HGA bids in March, 338 PSA graded. Again, this is for a 9. Mid-March, you're looking at 129 best offer accepted. The 10 was at $655. I could not find the CSG. The GMA back in February was only $10. Bid, a Gem Mint 10 was $23.99. Might be good to buy up those 10s and send them in for a crossover. All right, BGS. I did find a what was that? A 9.5, 9.5. You got $290 best offer, 338 bids. So I don't know what that best offer was, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do a plus 10 differential. All right, next card is a Burrow Absolute. Try to find 9.5 10s. The raw costs you $3. A box costs you about $4.50. Could not find an HGA. PSA graded 9 back in February, $44 for bids. Grade 10 in March was $250 best offer. So again, I'm just going ahead and say about 10%. So maybe in the $220 range. CSG, the 9.5. $89.99. That was the best offer. So again, maybe around $80. GMA 10 was $30. I mean, I struggle with that GMA pricing. BGS, buy now. That's what BN stands for. Be around 80. And then the SGC graded 10 with bids was $56 back in February. All right, next you got a 2021 LaMelo Ball graded 9 Prizm. This was around $15 raw. A box of this cost you close to $500, $473. All right, HGA 9.5 went for $314. Buy now. PSA graded 9 went for 112 bids. Grade 10 went for $455. All right, the green label CSG went for $49. Buy now. This is a grade 9. And the GMA 9 went for $37. Grade 10, $53. And ignore that last one. Sorry, that just was taken off from wasn't taken off from a previous one. We know a GMA 10 didn't go for 1,000. Graded 9 for Beckett, 51. 9.5, $399. SGC 10 went for $299. Best offer. All right, next card. All right, we got Justin Herbert base, 2020 Prizm. Looking at that 9.5. Raw went for $170 to $200. Box of this cost you $13.50. All right, HGA 9.5, $585. Bids, PSA. Just look at all these numbers. Okay, graded 9, $269. Graded 10. You're looking around the median, maybe the median being close to $1,200. All right, CSG was not available. GMA graded 10 in February, $449. In January, $325. So BO's best offer, BN buy now, and then I'll put bids by there if somebody was bidding on it. All right, BGS, he got 9.5, $543 in March. Back in January with bids, it was $280. So you can see that huge jump up 2 months. SGC graded 9 at $150. All right, just have a couple cards left. Tiger Woods rookie upper deck. One different. Raw's been costing around $85 to $100. A box that's going to cost you over $2,000, $2,100. HGA 9 back in middle March. You're looking at $261. PSA 9, $185. And those 10s, baby, those 10s are paying off. $700-800. My advice: buy them, buy them, buy them. CSG could not find it. GMA 10 graded that at 9. Sorry, 129 at 10 was $650. I'd buy up those 10s. See if you can set them out for a crossover. BGS 9.5, a 9 was at 152, 9.5 was at 359, and I did find one mint, or whatever they call it, 10. You're looking at close to 1,200. SGC a 9, 142, graded 10 was at 305. All right, last card. I got a Don Mattingly rookie. Raw, you're looking at anywhere from $12 to $15. A sealed box of this, a little over $500. Could not find HGA. PSA 9 at 122, a PSA 10 at 890. Both of these were bids, auctions with bids. All right, CSG $99.99. That was the best offer. GMA for a 9, $29.99, and a 10 was at $53. Big difference. All right, the BGS was at 83 for a 9. 8.5 was 30. SGC 9 was 55.
Hit that like button.
All right, so based on this small sample size, looks like PSA 10 is still king. The hybrid, the HGA 9.5s, some cards were higher, but it's almost like they're in between a 9 and a 10, but closer to a 10. But those PSA 10s, I mean, they're just still going for so high. What I was surprised with was how low the GMA, they're just now holding their value. And I figured that more people would be buying these because surely there's value in it somewhere. I just don't know why you would continue to send off cards to GMA, especially when CSG was right there, and it's at a lower price point. That's something I didn't take into consideration was the how much it costs to get each card graded. So that was certainly factoring it into it. I just wanted to make this first video just kind of comparing. I know we're all doing it right now, so I just wanted to kind of put it to a visual. I'll continue to refine this process and make it better, but I'll probably do one of these every week or two as CSG and HGA get more cards graded. Thanks for watching.